Make sure to remove the lower rack. Turn the upper filter assembly 1/4 turn counterclockwise and lift it out. Grasp the lower filter in the circular opening, lift slightly and pull forward to remove. Rinse the filter under running water until most soils are removed. Do not use a wire brush or scouring pad because they may cause damage to the filters. If you have hard-to-remove soils or calcium deposits from hard water, a soft brush may be used. Reinstall the upper and lower filters accordingly. Place the lower filter under the locating tabs in the bottom of the dishwasher and make sure that the upper filter is fully seated and does not turn freely. Not doing this correctly can cause degradation in your dishwasher's cleaning performance.